entitled no name. So in order to write the name, make sure you go to a file as well as or you can click Ctrl S for save, Ctrl S for save, and you see what it look. Ctrl S for save, and you can select you want to save where, but me, I'm going to save in the desktop, and write your name here. For maybe let I put this name Lenny, and make sure when you want to save the HTML document, you use the extension .html in order to know this kind of document is HTML. Make sure you put after your file name, put dot sign and then write HTML. HTML. After that, say save and type. Just click document type, and there the structure is, and then start again. Write the HTML. HTML. Yes, close it. HTML. As you see, because I'm using the Visual Studio, is enable me if I'm just starting to type and just finish it. Press enter. Just write the head. Write head. Just close head. Inside the head you have title. You can navigate the button, this title. Close title. And what's the title of your document? We are going to write HTML body. Right, just write board. And here in the body is the where each and everything you write inside the board in order to see in your browser. Heading 2, say login form, login form. And here login form, type your labels, input username, username, and here you can type the input type in input type, username is text, just correct the placeholder, enter username, enter username, let's say the username, and then you can say password, label for password, password, okay, password, and the type the input, just write password, input is password now, input now is password, placeholder, just placeholder, and write the enter password, Now the last one, write a button just for submit button, submit. Now save it, Control save, and just go to refresh and to see username, password, enter your password in the submit button. But if you want to arrange it vertical, just go in your source code, just in front of this one, just write the break. As more break, as more space. And now also here, just write break. More breaks, as more space. Just save it and just refresh it. Refresh it and you see how it look. Wow, that's good. Bring it center, just delete this one and come close below the button. Just type and now you can see your contacts as appear center. Wow, here's a simple login form. Now we are going to style with CSS. You're inputting the border, color, and the animation of the text. Now in order to apply CSS, now we're going to open our source code. This is my source code, and here you have 3 main types of applying CSS. I can use the internal, inline, or external by creating another links. But here the good choice is just creating another link and just save it by using the extension .css. Now you can click Ctrl N just for new, and just click Ctrl S for save, and here you can say CSS style, that is style, use extension css. Now save it, and as you see, CSS. So in order to write the CSS, we use this structure. We have something called now the context you want to apply it. For example, let's write board here, board. Inside the curly braces, maybe you say background color. Background color will be the this one. Now, in order to make effect in HTML CSS, we must write the link. Just write the link here, and below the head, below the title, that is the link. This link just for linking CSS and the style sheet. And here, in writing heading reference, as well, you write a name of your CSS. My name is just style. Another name, if you write another name, just make sure as you write it in your CSS, as well, just writing here. Now style style.css. Now if we save it, style.css, now my file is ready. Let's go to refresh and to see if we have some effect or not. Submit button, yes, you say go in a CSS file and just write submit. Button, say maybe if you want to style the labels, maybe label, just come here and say input. That's input. Input will be maybe input, maybe border radius. This one, border radius maybe 10 pixel, 10 pixel, yeah, 10 pixel. And maybe color for your inputs, maybe color for your input will be maybe yellow. You can say color will be yellow. And the font size, you can add the font size. Font size will be maybe say large. Or you can specify, and so on. Now if you're going to see what's happened, just refresh it, and you see, wow, the border radius is, and this is your label off. Now if we type red, will be the yellow color, background color, and maybe blue. Yes, it's blue background color. And the color of the words, maybe color, maybe white, white color. Now save it, and just go to see how. Wow, now the colors changed from black to white, and the background now is blue. So let's put this name top login form to change the color, of the name, this title. In order to change the name of the title, make sure you remember the title. This is heading 2. If it's heading 3, write heading 3. If heading 4, write heading 4. But because heading 2, just say heading 2. Write heading 2. Writing heading 2 here. Write heading 2. Now say heading 2, right? Heading 2 maybe font size or color. I just write color to be just maroon color, and the background color, you can add your own color. Maybe you can say maybe black, whatever the case, because they're black maybe. And the font, you can say font size, you can add the size according to your needs. Font size, maybe you can say 30 pixel or 20 pixel. And you can add maybe this font family is a kind of your font family, and here you have more and more font family. You can try to select as you need. Yet I try to take this font family and just save it, and look how it look it. Refresh it. Oh, takes the color of the background colors, and you see how the login forms look. Let I remove this background color of the text. Wow, now it look good. Yeah, you can say maybe you have some visible, it's looking good. Thank you for watching, but remember to subscribe, like and share. Put your comments below in order to know more. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's proceed with something called the field set. In order to put this content in the one area, right, just fill the field set and just move this and below the form and write the field set, fill the field set. Okay, field set. Now save it, and this is a field set. This line, just come here in CSS and open the CSS code, and you can see the field set is here, and this is a 10 centimeter width height. You can change another color as you need. Also, you can put this in just code in HTML CSS and just write this one called legend. Write legend and close it below this content. Legend. Close here this legend. Legends. Just save it. Wow, nice, look nice. And this is the ending of simple login form. If you have the questions or something that you didn't understand it, just leave the comment, and we'll meet on the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.